Are you tired of sweltering in the summer heat and paying sky-high energy bills? It's time for a change. Introducing Whole House Fan from Whole House Fan Company, the solution to your home's cooling needs. Picture this: it's a scorching hot day, and your air conditioning is struggling to keep up. You're feeling sticky, uncomfortable, and drained. But what if there was a better way? That's where Whole House Fan comes in. Our experienced technicians will expertly install a whole house fan, bringing you immediate relief from the heat. Imagine a home where you can bask in the cool breeze, even on the hottest days. With a whole house fan, you can quickly and efficiently ventilate your entire home, replacing stagnant air with fresh, cool air from outside. And here's some exciting news. For a limited time, take advantage of our Father's Day special and get $300 off your whole house fan installation. Treat your dad to the gift of comfort and savings. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Upgrade your home's cooling system with Whole House Fan and experience the difference. Contact Whole House Fan Company today to schedule your installation and claim your $300 off through our Father's Day special. It's time to take control of your home's comfort.